In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best microscopes available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the microscopes mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, TOMLOV DM9 Pro, High-Def Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 Pro is a versatile digital microscope ideal for hobbyists and professionals. It features HDMI and USB output for seamless connection to larger screens, making inspections more detailed. The wireless remote control ensures stable image and video capture. With 1920x 1080p resolution, it delivers true-to-life visuals. Perfect for electronics repair, watchmaking, and scientific exploration, this high-definition microscope is a must-have tool. Now available at a huge discount, making it an excellent value for money. Number 4, ZONGMAI 4K Digital Microscope Camera for PCB Repair. Designed for PCB soldering and phone repair, the ZONGMAI 4K digital microscope offers superior imaging with its 48MP camera and 4K video recording. It features both manual and automatic exposure for optimal brightness, ensuring clarity in every detail. The adjustable LED light enhances visibility, while its high-quality build makes it ideal for precision work. Whether you're a technician or DIY enthusiast, this microscope provides the accuracy needed for intricate tasks. A professional-grade tool at an affordable price. Number 3, 4K Digital Microscope with 150x Zoom HDMI USB. This 4K digital microscope is designed for industrial and educational use, featuring HDMI and USB outputs for easy connectivity. The 150x zoom capability allows for highly detailed inspections, while the adjustable backlight enhances visibility in different lighting conditions. Its foldable bracket ensures flexible placement, and the lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Ideal for professionals, students, and researchers, this microscope combines high-definition imaging with user-friendly functionality for an enhanced viewing experience. Number 2, Andonstar AD210, High-Def Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD210 is a high-definition digital microscope tailored for electronics and PCB inspection. It features a large 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen, allowing for a clear and comfortable viewing experience. With 260x magnification, it delivers detailed inspections, essential for precision work. Supporting 12 languages, it is ideal for global users. Powered via USB 5V DC, it offers convenient and stable operation. Whether for professional use or hobby projects, this microscope provides exceptional quality at an unbeatable price. Number 1, REVCA DM12, 10.1-inch HDMI Digital Microscope. The REVBCAU DM12 is a powerful digital microscope designed for electronics, PCB work, and repair tasks. It boasts a 10.1-inch IPS screen for ultra-clear visuals, along with 50x, 2000x magnification for detailed inspection. The HDMI output ensures seamless connectivity, while real-time voice recording adds an extra layer of functionality. Whether you're examining circuits, soldering, or exploring intricate details, this microscope offers premium performance at a great price. Upgrade your inspection setup with this high-definition tool.